So next step after you got the cross done, for beginners method you will like put the edge in, the corner in. Like something like this, you make something like this, then you no, this is not what you're supposed to do. You should try solving. Okay, so let me introduce. Let me get across. So like, okay, so you need to know something, like something like this, which is like the piece for the first two layers like that. It's called a pair, P-A-I-R, pair. So for F2L, which is first two layers, you need to try to solve two of the pieces which at the same time. Okay, you don't solve it piece by piece, like, no, that's not what you should do. Anyways, so okay, so it's actually split into three cases. Okay, let me get some examples. Okay, so you see this example, this is a F2L pair, this white, green, red, and the other edge which should be like next to it is this red, green, green, red edge, this one. So what I need to do is, okay, so for F2L, what you do is you kind of like pair the edges together, then you insert them together, like just like beginner's method. Okay, so like I said, there's three cases. So how you recognize the cases is like, you look at the corner of the pair. You look at the corner and the edge. Okay, so the first case is when like the top colors are different. Example, this you see this white, orange, green pair piece and this orange, green, it forms a pair, right? Like it forms a pair. But like the first case is when the colors are different. You see the top colors, one have green top, the other have orange top. So like this is the easiest one, which like you can pair it up like that, like one move. You move the corners toward the edge, then you can pair it up. Yeah, this is the first case. Let me show the second case. Okay, example this. Wait, let me. Okay, so second case, I am still using the white, orange, green pair, and this orange, green. I'm using these two pieces, which is this orange, green pair as an example still. So the second case is the colors on top of these two pieces are the same. So in this case you can just like hide the corner. You need to just make sure like the white sticker is at the side and this slot is empty. Example, like I'm solving this white orange green pair into this front slot here, this spot. These two pieces should go into this spot. So like I need to make sure this white sticker is at the side. Yeah, like hide the corner, then do you realize how it moves, how this corner moves like up and down? So what you can make use of it is like you hide the corner, then you put the edge here. You put the edge here, then when you move back it will pair up. Like I move the edge is here, then I move the corner back, it's a pair. So this is the second type of case. Then you can just insert it like a normal yeah, like how you normally insert a corner. So the third case. Okay, so the third case is when you have the white sticker on top. Example, you see this orange green pair and this white orange green corner. Okay, so you still need to use the slot which they are supposed to go into. which is this slot. So what you do is you need to try to like stack these two pieces together. You stack it in like this way. For it's different from the previous case. This time you hide the edge. You don't hide the corner anymore. You hide the edge. Then you move the corner. You turn the corner to the edge. This corner. You turn it to the edge. The edge is here. You move this corner to the edge. Then they are pair up. And then you just insert it normally. You cannot insert it this way because like it will break up the pair. See, the pair is splitted. So you need to just figure out your own way. Okay, so let me continue with some examples. So okay, so next I see it. I want to solve these two pieces, this pair. I want to solve this pair. It's supposed to be the orange green pair at this spot. So I found the orange. I mean not orange green, orange blue. I found the orange blue pieces. I found the edge, and I found the corner. Okay, so let's recognize the case first. It's the second case, which is the case where like the top colors are the same, and the top color is not white. So since like I'm solving these two pieces into this spot, so I do like I need to move this white sticker to the side. Then I can hide this piece, hide the corner, then I move the edge to it. Then I insert it. Actually, like even you have this case, which is like the colors are the same. You must make sure the white sticker can be at the side, at the back, and you can see it. Okay, you can do the same thing, like you hide the corner, then you move the edge to it, then you just insert it. Okay, so third pair, let me see. I'm planning to solve the red green pair, which are these two pieces, this white red green and the red green edge. They are together, so like I can split it in this way. Like you just make sure you use the empty slot. Okay, you can still use this slot as long as it's an empty slot. So I can do something like this. I just take it out, then I turn twice. Okay, then you can form the other case. Like you can actually just mess with it, then you can get many cases you want. Like for example, I do something like this, then I get a case with it have the same color. But my preference is to do this. Like then I move this two pieces up, then I turn the corner twice. Then it form a case which are like different colors on top. Do you realize like if I turn it like that, then it will pair up? So I can put the corner on top of the slot, on top of this slot. Then I do like that. Pair it up. Then I pair it up. Then I turn this pair in. Then I put the slot down. So example, okay, last pair. The red blue pair. The two pieces are together. Here. These two pieces. I can split them up in any way I want. Example like this. But I prefer to like split it up in the way so that here are the pieces, the red blue and the white red blue. I prefer to split it up in a case that like the top colors are different, because it's easier to pair it up. So in this case, I realized that if I do one move like that, it will pair up. So I just do like that. In some cases, like you realize when the top colors are different, when you're trying to pair it up, it doesn't pair up, right? So what you need to do is put this piece. Okay, you need to hold a empty slot in your facing you. You'll put this piece corner at the back. Then you do like, then you move this edge either this way or you move it the other way. It depends on the case. If it was at this spot and if it was at this spot and it doesn't pass out, then you need to turn it the other way. Okay, so anyways, it pairs up, right? So I just move the corner to the top of the slot. Yeah, you just do it like that.